Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how I make lip gloss. This is some castor oil and coconut oil that I'm mixing together right now. This was actually supposed to be the bowl that I mixed my full batch of lip gloss, so I gotta grab another bowl to put the gel in and then add the oil as I go. So I'm gonna mix this up, and then these are the tubes that I'm gonna be using, the candy tubes. What I'm gonna do is fill it up with some rose petals, and because if I put it inside of the lip gloss mixture, it ain't gonna do nothing but clog up my syringe. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I have all of my tools filled up with the rose petals. I think I have around 21. And I had to grab another bowl to mix up my lip gloss base with my oil. I have my bucket of lip gloss right here. It's a big bucket that I got from off of Etsy. I know it's real close to the camera, but so I'm just gonna go ahead and add some to this bowl. I don't need to use a spoon. And I'm not taking no measurements. I'm just pretty much winging it. And to be honest, I never measured when I was selling lip. I never measured my ingredients. I always just, mix it to the consistency that I like, and then that was it. And to be honest with you, I never got any negative feedback. They was always positive about my lip gloss. So let's start mixing in the oils, the castor oil and the coconut oil together. This can get real messy, you guys, real messy. But everything has been sanitized down, so, but it will get messy, and then, you have to just clean up everything when you're done. So, yeah, I was selling lip gloss when I didn't really have like a direct vision of where I wanted my business to be, what I wanted to sell. I was basically selling lip gloss and eyelashes and stuff like that because that was, trending at the time. But over time, I was selling the lip gloss kit like crazy. Like every day I would sell a few. But when trends come, they go. And you really have to just be careful with what you really want for your brand, and like, because you try to go along with the trends, and sometimes it's like that's just not for you. You know what I'm saying? It's not meant for you. Sometimes you got to go in another direction. What I found out is mostly any business that you have, you're going to have your customers everywhere. You understand what I'm saying? Don't assume that, just like me, I'm just saying, speaking to myself too, that you're selling a certain product that is trending, and you're going to, because sometimes, like me, I'm the type of person, I'm good at making things with my hands, but I'm really not good at marketing. I've been on Etsy for so long, and they've been doing everything for me. And trying to do it on my own with my own Shopify website, it's just not easy for me at all. And that's like part of one of the reasons why I created my YouTube channel, so I can show you guys, I can bring awareness to my brand, and also show you guys and teach you guys a little bit about my experience as a business owner. So I'm gonna get this to the consistency that I want it to be. So yeah. So just know that what works for somebody else, it might not work for you. Do something that you really think you want to like and enjoy. Like I really do enjoy making soaps. That's not going nowhere. Along with the other few products that I add and that I will be adding soon to my website. But after that, like with lip gloss, I have no more desire. I have no desire to really like keep making lip gloss and selling it in my shop. I don't think it doesn't speak to my brand at all. Lip oils, I was good. I still sell those. I'm good at doing those too. Always got 5 stars with that too. So, but and then I had customers telling me, "Oh no, don't stop, don't stop." But little do they know is that they don't know. They on the outside looking in. Put it like that, and they don't know how business go. Once something dies down and you don't make those sales, and you just got to take it out. You got to, and a lot of business owners do. If it's not selling, you got to, take it off. So I had this lip gloss base for about maybe close to a year. It have a 2-year shelf life, and I just want to hurry up and get rid of it before it goes bad and I lose my money. All right. So I'm gonna continue mixing this to the consistency that I want, and then I'm gonna be right back with you guys. Okay. So I end up adding more castor oil to this. But with this gloss, some glosses are so difficult to work with. The base, I used a lip gloss base a while ago that I purchased off Amazon, and it just went so, you didn't have to put that much oils in it, and it was just so smooth within no time. But it was more expensive than, buying it in bulk. And they didn't have that brand in bulk. So I ended up getting this. And it's okay. You just got to add more oils to it to get the consistency that you want in the lip gloss. So you really need those arms. You need those. You need to work this. Okay. We almost there. I want my gel and my oil to really be mixed well, with this. Any product that I make, to be honest with you guys, I try to make it my best. I try to make it top notch. I don't want no customers coming back to me, saying that my products are this, is that, it's no good. I don't want that for my brand. Most of my I'm not trying to brag, but most of my feedback are like 5 stars because, I sell good quality products with this business and with my other business. So always have integrity. Don't just try to put out something just to put it out. I'll be right back again. Let me finish mixing this. I don't want this video to be too long. This is a good consistency. That I like when it just falls down a little bit. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add my mica. Eyeball it. Okay, just a little bit of pink, not too much. I'm gonna add some gold glitter. Okay, and then I'm gonna add the strawberry flavor, the one that's made for lip gloss, Just put it in like this, little by little. You don't want to put too much. If you put too much, you're gonna make a lip gloss that's gonna burn somebody lips. So little drops at a time. Okay. Mix that in. Okay. That's looking so pretty. If I was, I leave it to the younger crowd to, continue on with their lip gloss journey, because the young girls do it good, okay? Yeah, so after this, well, I have like a few more tools and some more gloss left. I'm gonna end up selling this on my website as a bulk. It's gonna be in bulk. I'm not selling nothing individual because, like I said, I'm trying to get rid of it. I don't have no desire of keep creating and making selling lip gloss. So if it's going on my website, it's gonna go as bulk. Otherwise, I'll end up taking it to a pop shop, and when a customer buys something, some of my soap products, I'll just give one of these away for free. I'm gonna try to will them in. Hey, if you buy this, you get this free. That's all. But like I said, if I do, well, I will put it on my website. I'll sell it as a bulk. Once it's gone, it's gone. That's it. No more. So from the looks of it, it looked like this is gonna be more. This is gonna require more lip gloss tubes. But I'm just gonna fill in what I can fill in now with this, and then yeah, that's whatever I have left. I'll just finish it off camera. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill this part of the lip gloss with this. I gotta get a spoon for that. Give me a second. I always when I have to fill this again and push this back inside, I always have a lip gloss tube on the end because it's gonna come out real fast. So watch and see. Release that pressure. Come on. Okay, there we go. See, it's coming out real quick. You gotta move fast. That's another one. There's another one. Fill that one up. Make sure you leave a little space. Don't fill it all the way up. Okay. Some gloss gonna be dripping out as you go along. All I do is I make sure I keep it over the bowl so I can just, to eliminate so much mess. Okay. See what I'm saying? Okay. Yeah, this is gonna be what I'm gonna eventually end up doing, because I know I'm gonna have a lot of gloss left over. I'm gonna put it inside of my 8-ounce containers and sell them as a lip gloss base. So I'm gonna fill this up again and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm just cleaning it out right now. Making lip gloss, you most definitely gotta make sure that you clean them with some soap, water. Okay, you guys, so this is the remaining base that I had left over after I made my tubes. So this is like a 8-ounce bottle. You can make around 20 to 22 mLs or 14 to 26 10 ml lip gloss tubes with this. I'm going to also have this on my website. It's going to come with the pipette, the syringe, and also the rose petals. If you don't want to use the rose petals, that's up to you. So I'm going to have this up on my website today if you guys want to go ahead and purchase it. After all of these are done, I will no longer be selling lip gloss anymore. So grab it while you can. Use it with your kids. Make lip gloss, have fun, and just all right, so thank you guys for watching this video, and like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna be bringing you guys more videos on my businesses and DIYs and everything like that. So yeah, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.